Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new product. This Amazon Fire TV stick Lite. In this video I'm going to unbox it and let's check what is inside the box. Okay, and first of all we can take a look to everything outside the box, and you can see the front view and the back view. So I will capture one by one. Okay, if we just look outside the box, this Fire TV stick is look really similar to the my MI TV stick. Okay, and let's skip for the MI. So now we go back to the Fire TV stick. Okay, so inside the box, so I already take out when we check in the shop. So now we open it. So inside the box we have here is the TV stick, remote control, this one is the HDMI male to female adapter, this one for extend the connection, power supply cable, so there are nothing else inside the box. So here we have the user manual, and here is the power adapter, and two pieces of the Amazon AAA battery. So let's take out the plastic. The remote control is like that, and here is the TV stick, so I take it out. You can see the Amazon logo, and here is some another detail on it. This one is the power adapter and the power supply cable, so it uses the micro USB type. So that is everything inside the box. Okay, and that's all for today's video for the unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV stick. So in the next video I will set up it with my TV, so don't forget to come back and check it out. And that's all, and thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.